Hello students, our today's topic is assign multiple accounting principle to the non-leading ledger. In last lecture, we assign ledger group to non-leading ledger. Now we will assign multiple account principle to our non-leading ledger by path SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledger, Define Setting for Ledgers and Currency Type. SAP में जाते हैं. SPRO, Financial Accounting Global Settings, Ledger, Define Setting for Ledger and Currency Types. Click on Continue button. Select our non-leading ledger TR. Then click on Accounting Principles. Then click on Continue. Then click on Continue button. And then click on New Entries. Here we will assign multiple accounting principle to our non-leading ledger. We will enter our first accounting principle is GAAP, that is UK GAAP, and another one is ZIAS. Okay, here ZIAS is not available. International Accounting Standards. We will create it. Come back. फिलहाल हम यहाँ पर 9 दे देते हैं. हम जाएंगे पैरेलल अकाउंटिंग, डिफाइन अकाउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल्स. न्यू एंट्री ZIAS, इंटरनेशनल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स. Click on Save button, click on Request and select Define Accounting Principles. Then click on Continue button. Come back and now go to Ledger, Define Setting for Ledgers and Currency Type. Select our non-leading ledger TR, then click on Accounting Principles. Click on Continue. Click on Continue button. Click on New Entries and enter our principal GAAP and ZIAS. Press enter. Click on Continue button and then click on Save button. Click on Continue button. Click on Create Request. Enter your description. Assign multiple accounting principle to non-leading ledger. Then click on Save button. Then click on Continue button. So here we will assign the multiple principles to our non-leading ledger.